Hi everybody and welcome back. Rog here. Well, we all love ribs, don't we? Well, I do. Especially these ones. Sweet and sour. So tasty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of recipes. I'm sure there's one out there that you must like. So let's check out these ribs. We'll start with the ingredients. 1 large plate of ribs. 2 bell peppers, 1 red, 1 green, cut into chunks. 2 onions, also cut into chunks. 1 tin of pineapple, complete with juice. Some rice wine vinegar or white wine vinegar. Some garlic powder. Some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoonfuls. Some corn flour. Some sriracha or a hot chili sauce. Some star anise. And some water. So in a pan on the hob we go with some cooking oil. Then we're going to pop in our ribs. Now what I want to do is brown these off. I do like that taste of a little bit of caramelisation. You know, that crispy brown stuff that you get around meat after it's been fried. Give these a little bit of a turn over and then we can put these into our slow cooker. Followed by our pineapple chunks. I'll see how that goes. That's about half a tin. They're going to give the sweetness to the sweet and sour. Then our garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Then some corn flour, 1 teaspoon. This will thicken the sauce. Then our sriracha. I'm not going to put too much in. I might add a bit more later. Then our soy sauce. Yep, about 2 tablespoons, that'd be fine. Then our rice wine vinegar. As I said before, you can use cider vinegar, any sort of vinegar really, but not brown. This will be giving the sourness. Top it up with water. Yeah, I've decided to finish off those pineapple chunks and all the juice that was in the tin as well. So it's in with the star anise and it's on with the lid. Set the regulo to high and we're going to leave that cooking for about 2 hours. Then we can remove the lid. And I'm telling you guys, this just looks and smells so good. Add our vegetables, pop the lid back on and cook for another 2 hours. Then you end up with these. I did have to add a little bit more corn flour just to thicken up the sauce and a few sesame seeds on the top. I'm telling you guys, these ribs are just so tasty, succulent, flavoursome. It just wants to make you eat more and more. See you all again next time and bye for now.